right turn and go down there, you know? Yeah. That is it, you see me? What going, you know, side clean? You know, side clean? You never side clean? Do your thing, man. Do your thing, man. Ah. Bless up, man. Alright. Man, I'm just stop and each and reverse.
Blouse and shorts and pants, 3 and 4. Any blouse, 3 and 4. Any pants, 3
Tell me sorry. That's something them do every day. Yes, them do it yesterday. Them do it today and them are gonna do it tomorrow. Them tell me sorry. Man, you're doing a road. You can't walk good on in a road. Where the blows? I'm telling them.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right about now, we're currently in the community of New Harbour Village 2. That's located in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, Jamaica. Alright? Yeah, man, we're there in it today, the people. And right about now, I'm actually there on my way to go pick up my niece. You see me? Yeah, man, I pick up my niece right about now. You have a school over here, so on my left hand side, peeps. Alright. Yeah, you have a school on my left hand side, right? To say, is it me? A prep school. Alright, yeah, so currently I make a way, we go in a Kingston. I pick up my niece, is it me? Yeah, man. Right about now it is 1:54 p.m. and school ends at 2:15. Alright. I should really and truly take the toll, but I won't. Cause me couldn't tag along with me, so the toll are kind of boring, people. One heap of breeze and just my chatting alone. You see me? Yeah, so what am I gonna do? Me I gonna take it the long way. That's what I say. Yeah, man, me I take it the long way, people. That me depend right now. See? Alright, so I'm probably not gonna reach the maybe till about I don't know what time I gonna reach it. Cause I gonna speed down the place, you see me? Yeah. But we'll see when we get there. Alright? Yeah, man, my people. So yeah, as I say, we are take the toll and we are going in a Kingston, close to downtown side. Basically downtown side in a Kingston we are go right now. You see me? Yeah, man. I pick her up from school and thing. People actually had a hectic day. Just a come from the shop with the car, from the garage with the car. Basically I'm just changing this part them still, cause this part them did need to change from how long. So I'm just get them the changed, and then right now what me I gonna do is me I go yeah, me get them the change. So what me I gonna do right now is bam I have some other little things to do, because yeah, sorry people, me lose my train of thought. Show me that thing about something else. But yeah, so I got the garage, me get this for them change. Them did need to change from how long. It actually want to get the car washed. Never did really plan for go pick up my niece, but you know me have to pick her up, so me have to do that. And also me have some little small things what me did need for deal with. You get me, I say people, yeah. And thing. So I just that are the pre. And so I even have a water bottle, me I plan for go get it full. So I might do, me I go come back in a Portmore to get the water bottle full. So what I might do, I might just carry no go straight, pick her up. After I pick her up, me I go carry no come a Portmore. And then I actually have Spanish Town for go to as well. So it's a long trip. I might just make it one video and done. You understand? Because when I've been a boss, so I don't want long videos and all of them thing there. So yeah man. J Booming, big up yourself in my general, isn't me? Joan, big up yourself. Rika, big up yourself. All of my UK massive them, big up yourself. Jacqueline, big up yourself. Wow. A whole heap of people, you know. We'll soon get to some more big ups, isn't me? If you're new here, as I said earlier, as mentioned earlier, I'm 876 by birth. We just drive around the place and we just chat and just laugh and read. From time to time, I kind of drop some vlogs and them thing there, you see me? Yeah man, welcome to the channel. Feel free to subscribe. As a matter of fact, subscribe to the channel man. Alright, yeah man, subscribe to the channel man. You see me? Yeah. Subscribe to the thing man and no bother with the foolishness man. Also click like on the video for me, please and thanks. You get me? And drop on the comment in the comment section, alright? Yeah. Drop on the comment in the comment section. Bad drive that we make while ago, you know, people. I shouldn't do that, you see me? But the taxi man is stop bad. I couldn't see around him. I end up going around there. Woman, me out in the road. Shouldn't do that. You see me? Yeah. Not even gonna blame the taxi man for that drive a while ago. Me should have wait. Because I know them style. But anyways, yeah man. If you're new to the channel man, just do the right thing man. You already know how YouTube works, so just do the right thing. You get what I say? Yeah man. Who won't be disappointed over here, so you see me? Yeah. As you can see, we are showcase the whole place. Wherever you're watching from. Oh, Old Harbour High School there from my right hand side. So that green and yellow, yeah, Old Harbour High School. So wherever you're watching from across the world, just want to say big up yourself. If you're there yard like myself up on the rock, bless up yourself. But now I'm going to go through the town, people. Because, alright, let me see. Let me go through the town. Look at how much traffic now. But I could have take a right turn there and take a little shortcut like. But let's go straight up. Normally the traffic there from way down here, so I crawl go up there. So I'm going to say, even though I press for time, let's see, I'm not even eating a lunch or nothing yet. I did say I don't want to stop to get some lunch. I don't even know if that's possible. I can't stop, but I don't know if I can stop to buy it, but I don't know if I can get it to eat. I'm not even sure. You understand? I might go into the car park to drive through for the lunch. I got a juicy patty. I might go into the car park in the drive through. If the line long, I come back out. If it's short, I just get something real quick and head out back. Alright? Yeah. So I can see how that go. Juicy patty the right around the corner around so. Alright, so I can see it go. It's looking kind of overcast right now. It's kind of cloudy, but it's very hot outside right now, people. Hot. Right now, I'm in the car talk to you and I sweat. I tell you now, but you don't know. Somebody might say, why am I not put on the AC? That probably might be a new person. Why not we not put on the AC? This video is gonna give you a different vibe, you know? You're not gonna hear the sounds from the streets and all of that, plus the AC tend for blue and make be a nice too. So it can be annoying, you see me? Yeah. So I just work with it. I go and sweat food now. You see me? Click like for me there. You see me? Yeah. So yeah my people, all about town this. We'll take away, we'll take our time make away, alright? Yeah. Take a little time and make away. Alright, so the traffic here wasn't bad a while ago, but usually it's terrible. So we give thanks for this. I will set a road users them there in the people. Bike man. Them not far from a taxi man them. You see me? Yeah. Boy, trust me people, today just so hectic. And how me start the day, I not even plan to start the day. As a matter of fact, what me da plan for do, me da actually a plan for start. Me da plan for wake up early and edit a video. Did wake up early, I go up on the beach, because I did a Portmore, go up on the beach at Elsha, you know, catch a sunrise and everything, go in the water, catch a little vibe, you know, yeah. And yeah, so I do all of that. Then me did say I go come home, get some breakfast, and get to editing. However, that didn't work out. You understand? Yeah, that never worked out. Yeah, that never worked out, people. The day was just so hectic. And then I never did plan to go to the garage until after I done edit. I say, no, I just go to the garage, yeah, man. And yeah, I go to the garage. Never did plan to stay so long. Like, I tell you, I never planned them thing, huh? Never planned for the day go that way, but it just work out that way, people. Like, I don't know. But today I see we not too pressure ourselves. Today I see we go and take our time. Currently in the town of Old Harbour right now, you see me? Yeah. I take a look at time and I go through, alright? No, you always have a couple little delays and thing. But I can see how it's set up. Don't know, kids are the future. Look out for the kids them on the street, you know, people. Yeah, man. So up on the right hand side is a car park, the taxi stand. So when you come to Old Harbour, anyway you want to get taxi go, except Clarendon, except Mapen, you can come in the car park. And Mapen taxi them park behind me. When me there the stoplight, I would take my left. Alright? So see the juicy patty here, right? So I'm going to go see how far the line reach. If it long as we say, nah tarry. If it's short, I grab the food because I really need the food. I see 3-4 car, I see a good amount of vehicle, you know. See them here? Alright, it's not that bad. You go around there, it's not that bad. How much car I pass a while ago? Now drop in the comment section and see how much car you see. Go around the people, it's not that bad. Hopefully they move fast and we get the food real quick. Hopefully we don't spend more than 10 minutes right or so. I'll get the food real quick. Yeah. So this is the drive-thru for the juicy patty. So when you come from the front, if the parking lot full, you can come in at the parking lot run at the back. Because they have a huge parking lot. You understand? Yeah. So there you know people. What go on in a full neck of the woods? As me show you in Jamaica right now. Place that like fire. All of these things, I'm turn on the AC a little bit and cool down the people because, you know, can't in a car in a sweat, so no man, it no look good. It no look good at all. So I'm just gonna get probably some rice and peas. Something. I'm not even sure as yet what really, but depending upon what them have from the menu, alright? Yeah. Get them rice and peas there and ray. Come line, move faster, cause boy, little bit away there in here, you know. Look at the people them are something like the food up there, so cause them go kill the chicken and kill the cow and kill the goat and all these things. Cause me don't really see why them a take so long, you know. You know people like drive through in Jamaica, it bad, as me I tell you, like it's terrible. Yeah. Drive through in Jamaica terrible right now, me I tell you people. Let me just take a picture or something. The carrier in front of with the axle here. It have on a dash camera there, so if you look at the license plate, hopefully the camera pick it up properly, but you have a dash camera there, so may I look how they mount it, you know? Connect it on the license plate and so it's a rear cam. Yeah. Connect it on the license plate. On the license plate screw them. Yeah, that's how it is. Some of those kind of look how they mount it, you know? Yeah. So I'm take a picture because I need to show somebody. Yeah, so I'm take a picture. Because I have somebody that have a discussion about rear cam and all of that. So we take a picture of this. Yeah, people, what do you say Juicy Party open in Florida, and boy, I tell you, trust me, the people them say them sell a 5 days worth of party in a one. I saw a 3 day or 5 day worth in a 1 day. Me I say, yo, these are some serious sales that, you know. And I'm plating them sales and I'm play sales, you know, people. Yeah. That's serious. So when I buy the food right just so I go carry it with me. Till when I pick her up, I eat it, and then I start from the journey to come over. Hold on, peeps. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. Thanks for making it. Speaking, go ahead.
Yeah, what do you have on the menu for lunch?
So I'm seeing jerk chicken, fried chicken, baked.
So just chicken?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Can I have a baked chicken, please?
I want a pasta, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, so I'm seeing just rib and thigh.
Alright, no problem.
Just the lunch?
Yes, that's it.
Alright, $1,000, proceed.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So, people, them just have chicken. The speaker is well loud, so I'm pretty sure I hear the convo. So she has rib and thigh only. So yeah. And a $1,000 fee lunch. And people juicy no serve enough lunch. When them a serve lunch, and nobody believe on a belly full of some of the juicy a serve, yeah? Juicy no serve no whole heap of food like that. Yeah, tell you no. Yeah, juicy no serve no one bag of food. Kinda want a water, but no buy the water from them. The lunch at $1,000, I don't really think it worth it in terms of the amount where you get. The food tastes good still, but the amount, I don't think it worth it. Wouldn't mind them surprise me today with the amount of food. You get me? Yeah. I don't think it worth it, you know? So people, when I come back, I actually have a water bottle where I go get, when I go full, I put more. Water store there over the Hongway shopping center or shopping mall. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you've seen my videos with Hongway a lot of times. For the amount of car we did in I drive you when I come in still, I think I should have get you and leave already. Yeah, I think I stay too long in the driveway. Cashier gone, people. Probably should just buy 2 patty. But as somebody said, with the drive-thru, at least when you reach, them have to give you food. You know, I like when they inside the cash. When you stand up from, you know, morning till night. When you reach the window, you know your turn. You know you pay and you collect. And I still don't see the cashier, people. Oh, she come back. Hmm? Yeah, it frightened me. Thank you. Yeah. Come, Axia, man. Move your car, brother. If you get your food, move your car. Come out of the way, brother, man. Hello. 626. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, people, so we'll get the lunch. Turn off the AC, you know. What is this Axia man doing? Hey, people. Hold up, I place. Hey, hold up, and ramp have traffic too, you know. No, after 2, like. Alright, no, well. Alright, so every town center in Jamaica, when you approach the town center, you normally have a build up of traffic. When you have somewhere stand out more than some, nah, tell you no lie. Hold up, one of them. Yeah, man. Hold up, one of them, man. You ramp have traffic, man. I know after 2, and from traffic are coming in from Spanish Town end. So what you say name Marley Mount? See my people, yeah. All of our people them call it Marley. People, the food them buy the box kind of feel heavy still, you know. Yeah. But what could say? So right now in Jamaica, them ban single-use plastic containers. So the food box them wanna know in Jamaica, when you come to Jamaica, when you normally buy food and get a little food box there, them ban them box there. So them basically gone back to paper settings. You know, if you remember, them long time days when paper box with food used to sell in them. And the same style, but yeah, you remember them paper box there, cardboard paper box them, where them used to white and the inside of the cardboard color. Yeah, the brownish color. Yeah, but them gone to some brown box, you know. Food box, you see me? Yeah. And also in Jamaica, paper straw we use. I don't know what that makes sense. Even the kids juice them now, like the Capri Sun. You know Capri Sun, right? Them have others too here. But like the Capri Sun, paper straw. Now you know how Capri Sun say. I'm pretty sure all of you are familiar with Capri Sun. People, the straw not even strong enough for punch the hole to drink the juice. You know the hole, the little part on the file where it thinner than the rest of the file. You use the straw and punch the hole in the top there, so. The paper straw them will come from the Capri Sun, them not even strong enough for punch the hole them people. May I tell you now. I will have some other little small box drink too, and with like kids juice. Same thing, them come with the straw them pan it. I'm pretty sure I remember them little kids juice them. Paper straw not strong enough for do it. And then you know them pitney by the time them a drink and them left it there, the whole of the paper straw melt away in the juice. So there is no more straw, just a little top part where everything in the juice just melt away. So them a drink juice and paper. Man no. Like me all up for the whole, you know, cleaner environment, less pollution and all of that, but give people a choice. Some things just don't make no sense. One thing I see the people them do too. The people them serve your juice in a one big plastic cup and give you a paper straw. You know better you give me now one big paper cup and a plastic straw. Right about now too, you know, I never think Andrew Wellness a drink out a paper straw, you know, or Mark Golding, you know. No, I don't think none of them leaders they a drink out a paper straw. If a man ever bring paper straw, come give one of them leaders, yeah, man. Them gone and them yard, them not work. If me, I say, if me work some, if me I leader and one bag of thing and a man a go serve me food. Yeah, can give me paper straw can't drink out and I'm telling the people, I think put in juice in milk, you know. I don't use straw, I haven't used straw in Jamaica from how long now. If I buy a juice, I don't use no straw. You get me? Because I don't drink, I don't eat no paper. I have enough paper in my yard. If I want paper to eat, I just eat it. Someone just drive out. Like if I want the back part in car. Sometimes I don't know your people. Them people are them weird. Trust me. Now I tell you like though, if you did on the toll, past Spanish Town, long time, probably reach down 3 mile already. Or near 3 mile. Anyhow me did take it toll. There's some mother there right now, I tell you now. When you don't know, you want some food plus you don't know more a different vibe to that video, yeah, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, taxi man. Take out your wings them, cause I don't know if you see vehicle in front of you. Coconut self on the side, yeah, so. Hey man, I overtake, man. No, sir. Convince some of them drivers are crazy, you know. So you know that truck you kind of have it on a little go slow like, you know. So yeah, everybody are kind of go around it, yeah. So as soon as I get a chance for overtake, I overtake it to cars, you know. I basically 230 you know, 229. People that drive on them road, they have to look out for him and them are overtaking up. I don't know, the people that drive away from them road. Them no business. They just overtake anytime and whatever, anytime. They don't care. You see me? Yeah. So right now we have another vehicle up the road, tractor. Taxi man just gone out there. Why you blowing? Why you blowing? Why you blowing? You know if you overtake so much vehicle, brother, see how you nearly get left out there. I want to overtake 4 or 5 vehicles. Yeah, people, me shot the light because we got to go. You know, the light have a delay too. Nah, do the excuse though, but I say it right. You see me? But we got to go, people. Yeah. Although you know them picking here, you know, them glad when, if you come pick them up, them glad you not coming, because them get to run up and down, you know, man. Hey, one time I go for my niece, you know, man. Same niece, you know, man. I tell them I have to walk down the whole school. Ramping can't do it, you know, man. Hey, walk down the whole school, you know, people. I say, yo, which part you there? You see me? Remember one day I come for you to come pick her up and tell her from in the morning, I say, stay in your class. People that go through 1 year. Go in through 1 year, fly out through the other one. Yeah, come and tell her, I say, stay in your class. So when I come, I can find you. Yeah. I know she don't remember that. Some Jamaican apple. We reach a town, I want to see if we get some. Yeah, man, apple, I know them black and juicy already. The black of the skin, you know, so you know it go. Yeah, man, well sweet, man. See if we get some down at home. I actually want some fruits, you know, and want a coconut water and then look at thing there, you know? Yeah. So basically they're on Old Harbour Road right now, people, you see me? Yeah. I head into Spanish Town. Right in front of me a smoking, man. Look there. Tell me I almost wind up the window, people, because the fumes and the smoke there. It's terrible. It smells terrible. just a homestead, people. Homestead. So never hear about homestead at Spanish Town? Yeah. So this is Old Harbour Road. And you can access the community too from John's Road. See me? Yeah. Alright people, so we almost reach roundabout. You know, so I say traffic good out there out here, so. Because normally traffic out here, you know, but I'm glad to say none of the day, you see me? Yeah. Glad to say none of the day, people. Alright, I take on through the town of Spanish Town too, you see me? If we keep right on the roundabout, that would have carry round to the bypass, but I take on through the town. Drive past round a tie spin round here, and all of these great places. People are patrol there so long time, you know, you have to serve out tight, you know. Long time the patrol there, so they need to fix it. Because you come around the corner, you have to swerve out tight. So right is up on the left side of the spin. Think on the right side it's supposed to be Ellerslie Pen or something like that, but don't quote me, I'm not too sure. People that come from here, so just drop in our comment section. All who familiar, drop in our comment section, make you know, see? Yeah. Boy, I don't want to jinx it, people, but the road free today. I not lie to you, the road free today. Because normally when I traverse through them places, I know people. Oh gosh, man. Take me a while. Yeah. Take me a while all on them road. You see me? I just walk out in the road. No sir. Never see this yet. People me tell you not to stop to that something there, you know. If you know nobody will do it, you not tell them tap it. Alright. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the right turn. We're gonna take a little lane and go around, you know? Yeah. I'll take a little lane from the left side and go around. I wonder where the truck will go, because I don't think the truck can fit through the lane there, because they always have car park up on the side part. Probably I'm going to go straight and go back on the bypass. What's that thing I'm going to do? Yeah man, I'm going to go straight. Around and say with that taxi I go up on the left side, and this is where I head to right now. Come Beats, come out of the road. And let me go their body now, man. Yeah. People has made a sound me a pass a furniture shop. Me a piece of board them want varnish, you know. Me need to visit all a furniture shop too, you know. Yeah. Alright people, so this is a young street Spanish town. Yeah, within a town.
Yeah. Spec. The big phone repairer. Spec. Computer repairer.
Them carry people, be a taxi. Yeah man. Once you see red plate, them you know say a taxi them. So bus a load and all them thing there. Forgot half a tree, taxi a load, forgot town, crossroad, half a tree, New Kingston. Man them in the road, they come out the road brother. Man them comfortably in the road like how them would have in them couch at them yard. Like how them would have in them city. So man them comfortably in the street. Yo, people are the best. Yeah man, so the town a Spanish town this, you know. School let over and little bit of working people start coming to and all these things. So we are basically make our way outside of the town now. He might drive out and he might call a passenger if he might forward. Eh? Yo, them little dirty bus driver here, you know, man. Public passenger vehicle drivers, them are the worst. Worst people them. Them a road hog. Them bully up on the road and them drive dirty. Yeah man. I tell you now. That's how it is. The worst people them on the road, man. Not telling a lie. See me, ah? Drive down. Dirty driver them, man. Go over the bridge, river run through, run under, sorry. Over the side up on my left side, if you go straight up, supposed to Rivali. Correct me if I'm wrong though, but I think Rivali up there, sir. Out there, so must name Shelter Rock on the right hand side. Yeah. Out there, Greendale. Yeah, call it Greendale, you know? Yeah. We approach Twickenham Park here now. And yeah, this is still part of Spanish Town, my people, alright? Yeah. Spanish Town big, you know. You see me? Yeah. On the left side there's the police training school. Blue and white wall, yeah? Police training school. Out there, so we across to the right side, we have Ozemate High School. It look like it over here now, so you see the kids, the children in the blue. Ozemate High School, that, yeah? Yeah. The way across to my right side, I don't think the camera catch it. Out to saw Central Village, people. On the two sides, on the left side and the right side. Central Village. See me? On the right side where you have a big lane and little lane, them place there. Over on the left side, you know, you have Zambia and couple other places. Yeah, I say. Yeah. Yeah, man. So it's set up. Police have speech about you, sir. One bag full of jelly coconut. You see what go on, people? One bag full of coconut, you know. Oh, that no. I grab one. Yeah, man. A coconut, no, man. I got so much. Ah, the man smile off his face. You don't know it's a load that. Alright, people, so we're about to go up and wanna some on the right side. If we take the right turn, it would actually carry to Portmore. So if we're going to Portmore, we would take the right. Carry go around from Municipal Boulevard and all these lovely places. Right about now we're on Mandela Highway, you see me? Yeah. Traffic, people. 2 minutes to 3, you know. Carry a job like my friend. High school there out as a two people. On the left side we pass it. Don't know which park Coney Park used to there. Yeah, all the whole enough to know about Coney Park. Yeah. Idle High School the over there now. People the breeze are blow up on the road as still. Yo, remember me tell you. Alright, so basically I approach the 6 mile area now. So we are keep right. Put it for go left and I carry down and do in the park side. And carry go down Robin Constant Spring Road half a tree end, alright? Yeah. So we are keep right. Go around pan Spanish Town Road now. See me? Yeah. And if you're there with me to so far in the video, you know, I hope so you click like, you know. Yeah man, I hope you click like on the video. Once you watch so far till so far, you see me? It only makes sense. So this is Spanish Town Road now, you don't know a whole heap of factory and all these places there on the road there, you see it? Yeah. Whole heap of popular community to where the whole I want to know about. You see me? Yeah. And you know, I have Riverton over on my right hand side here, so. You see it? Yeah. The road that we go to me left and Waymouth Drive. Can carry back same place, drop out in front of Patrick City. So if further up there, so when I say if I did go do in the park side, I could have take the left. The road I can bring me back for drop you out back on the same route there. You understand? I think this come out in front of Patrick City there, so yeah. Yeah man people, the road here, a roughneck road this, you know. You notice no marking there in the road? Roughneck road this people, no marking. You know, just a while ago, just pass get a carry around in a waterhouse side. Oh yeah man people, a roughneck road this. Driving a 2-lane. Charger no. Toyota Jamaica there on the left hand side so. Authorized Toyota dealer this in Jamaica. So yeah, Jamaica they do sell new cars, alright? Over there so them sell. plastic for seat and everything. Yeah. Excelsior Biscuit Company, this on the right side, you see the red gate. Yeah, man. Wow, smell out of some people. Oh, wow. People, the place they sell chuck parts. You see, man, have a chuck head up there. You see it? Yeah, I come through the building top. Yeah, man. Alright, watch out now, people. I actually going to take Marcus Garvey drive, you know, so I'm going to go down under the bridge. If not, would I just come on the flyover and go over, but I take Marcus Garvey drive, people, because Spanish Town Road, they drive too terrible. So, I take underneath the bridge and go there. Yeah, man, because them drive too terrible, people. You see me? Yeah. Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go? Oh, him stop. Cause one little bus man, people. I don't know which part him did I go. Cause the road block right there, so. You see me? And him a blew a push and a come down. Yeah, man, so I make a right turn, you know? Make a right turn and go down there, you know? Yeah. That is it, you see me? Wagwan, you know, see side clean? You know, see side clean? You never see side clean? Do your thing, man, do your thing, man. Ah. Bless up, man. Alright. Yeah, people, so if we take the flyover way, see, above with this, so we don't go straight down there, or we can continue straight down there, but me I go run from Garvey Drive, as we say, because, trust me, people, them drive on the whole of Spanish Town Road, but you see down there, up on the lower section, more terrible, man, them create them one lane, and everything, and I like that one way, have a median and separate you like that, no median and separate you, no marking no in the road, no nothing. So you go down and a man overtake you go down and the vehicle may come up, you see a man overtake a line of vehicle come up to. Terrible, 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 you see me? Yeah. Because them windscreen wiper better the while ago still, you see it? Man do them things still. Better them out just start do them things than, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man, so I take it as a people, easier commute. when I drive so smooth past Spanish Town Road, people. If I drive and a friend, and I look, and I break up. Yeah, man, I easier commute this man for going in downtown area, man. Spanish Town Road, can't manage it. See me? This is a Marcus car drive. Countryman, yeah, man. Alright, this is industrial terrains, people. You see me? Yeah. Carry past Spanish Town Road and around a garden, around a Tivoli garden and them places, you see? Yeah. So basically in a downtown area right now, people, you see me? Yeah. And as me I say, shout out to everybody where still a watch. If you watch this for the premiere, big up your damn self, you see me? Yeah, man, you know the premiere meaning the first time it a year. Yeah, if you watch this for the premiere, big up yourself. Drop something in a message, in a comments, in a chat, whatever. Make me know say you watch for the premiere, yeah. Make me know, make me know, make me know. Yeah. Alright, so we are gonna go take it away up on Harbour Street and then make a turn up on one of them streets, you see me? Yeah. Yeah man, downtown Kingston these people. I left turn on Errands Street. Kid, nobody walk out in the road. Oh, sir. So I'm saying with the downtown Kingston, this Harbour Street, isn't it? Yeah. Make a left turn up here, so. Think this supposed to be Duke Street. Understand? Yeah, man. I think this supposed to be Duke Street. Oh, a female officer, big up yourself. Almost reach the school, you know. So watch your prayer now. Alright, I did say I'm gonna bring you with me. Enough time enough for no ball, so no want longer video, no want see the place more. And all these things. Yes. Especially you, Joan. All I wanna love ball, but no want long video. So I gotta just do the maths, bring you go port more to all of these things. Yeah, so we're gonna just do the math. So this is gonna be one long ass video. Alright? Yeah. So we're gonna cross East Queen Street and now people, you see it? Yeah. Continue up. As I said, this is supposed to be Duke Street. Alright, so we're like an over hour late right now. School ended at 2:15, now is 3:18. But you know the kids I'm in there right up and down, so we're gonna just find a parking and then do the pickup. Alright people. So may I go for you now. Just straighten up there. Alright people, I go for you. 1 second. Alright people, so make the pickup. Actually eat my lunch too. So yeah. Right now I think I gonna look some fruits in town, yeah? Yeah. Some fruits in town, yeah, people. Them school pin here. Now this it's like KT. I want them school there, you know. Yeah people, so I'm gonna swing around at the market side and grab some fruits, isn't it? Yeah. And then we are head to Portmore. Alright people, sorry if you clear from the sun affect the quality of the camera, yeah? You know we can't really do nothing about it, but good little camera this, so it's supposed to do it thing to filter out as much as the excess light as it can, so yeah. Yeah man, so this is East Queen Street in the nation's capital, yeah? Downtown Kingston. My customer man there said the man make him broke the light. So I say if somebody lick him down, him would not talk about that man make something lick him down. Like I him defend the bike, you know. I him a ride the bike. Never see this yet. Man cause say the man make him broke the light. Them people. So right now we are going around past South Parade. You see me? Yeah. We are going market side. Oh. Alright, we could go straight. Around, so we should have going to people. We should have take the left there and go down King Street. But we're going to see if we can take it that way there and do thing, yeah? The taxi man over said disgusted, you know. Yeah, you see how much people there don't away from bus? Yeah man, I saw downtown set up. People them they away from bus again to the left. It's a Spanish Town bus them away from people. Yeah, the good old Spanish Town will just come through. Yeah man, I saw it set up. I take a left up as a still. I'll see if you can make it down on the road. The road that boy grimy sometime, you know. In terms of traffic. Yeah. Stay away sometime, but I'll see what I'm going for. I need a taxi man there blow. That we actually short if we get out to Coronation Market side, you know, 'cause out there I go grab the fruits them, you know. But even though short it can be longer because it's through the road they normally busy up. Yeah. Road they normally busy people. A jelly man a chop a jelly, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, jelly man. It never that bad people. Cause you sometimes the delivery truck them a deliver take up cause whole heap of traffic jam, you know. Drive on my taxi man. Drive and take him whole day to come up the road and the road clear. And when no space and they are them time you know on board. Man just stop and each and reverse.
Blouse and shorts and pants, 3 and 4. Any blouse, 3 and 4. Any pants, 3 bills.
Tell me sorry. That's something them do every day. Yes, them do it yesterday. Them do it today and them are gonna do it tomorrow. Them tell me sorry. Man, you're doing a road. You can't walk good in a road. Lord. I'm telling you, man.
We have Chocho, we have Terry.
Alright people, man, if we can get a little parking space. Park while we grab the fruits them real quick. Can't park on the side, you know, because so them drive every day, brother. Still want a board out. The Rasta man a cuss it say taxi man them can't wait for nothing. Man still a cuss it up as a taxi man don't like to wait. People are do oh well look at space down here so. Probably can get a little parking down here so. We see my virgin all time I say so. I'm gonna take over from Cecil. I'm gonna tell me over though. Oh no, this work out. See, I'll stay till I come here and turn on the AC and leave him. Alright? I'll be back shortly. When I come back, I want you to open the door. Press this button when I'm gone. Look. This one. Press this one when I come out. So right now, I open it. I press this one when I come out. When I come back and knock on the glass, I press this one to let me in. Alright? Cool? You see which one I press for lock it? This one. And which one for open it? Alright. So I come out and lock it for me. I'll be back shortly. Stand it. To the downtown still. So not too far. Not too far. We soon reach. We soon leave and get. You want some water? Alright, I'm bringing back a water. Alright? Yeah, people. So we soon far. I'm just going to look out the road to move forward. I see one water man, I get the water from field. Yeah? Oh, I forgot some more jelly coconut now. Oh, jelly. I'm the old timer. Old timer, get biggie, man. Oh no, we're gonna get the jelly water from there. Oh, people move forward black, you know. The man who see come in front of me and Cessla, all time, you know. Yeah, man, I'm all time a bridging, man. But make me a think about the change I have right now. I wanted to buy some water from me. Because you should have asked me for water earlier. Yeah, I not even remember saying me a record, you know. I don't remember sound of there, you know. Want some jelly right now. I'm go down here and see if no jelly did it. I want a jelly coconut. You know, see sugar cane all there. You say look like a man make cane juice. So. Now look on the jelly them, but the jelly them no look, you know. Jelly belly. Them no look like them sweet. Them just look normal, you see me? Lock off the AC there, because I know I be nice to me. But people, I'm sorry, you know, I not even remember say me there a record. So I get watermelon and I get cantaloupe, you see me? Yeah man, fresh from the farm. You know, the farmer them come in today or Thursday, them come in last night, you see me? Yeah. So at that I go get. Mama, I want a jelly. I want 2 jelly, but nah, see jelly. I want them can stop a pork more and buy jelly. I have a little jelly man something about there, you know. No more want to people, I want some lime. Alright, I'm gonna just buy a water for she drink. I buy 2 water, one for me, one for she, and then I'm gonna look the jelly and pork more, yeah man. Yeah man, I want 2 water right now. You see what water see? I'll get into water. Alright people, so we will dig out. We will dig out, me I tell you no people. We don't see no water person, and we are left out of our vicinity. We need water. We need water, you know. Can't left out of our vicinity and we don't get no water. Hey, I can't even make no bad stuff because police all the behind me too. We need water. Where are we gonna get water? We need water. And nobody else down here don't have no water. Stop at a gas station. Here? Here? I'll stop at a gas station, see if we can get the water here. Oh, I need to go full on my water bottle too. Stop at a gas station and get water so we can quench your thirst. We're not buying any gas, we're just getting the water. Can quench your thirst, alright? Alright, my people, all of them I could go. See what I go and feel water there. We want some more AC again.
It's actually for trash.
Oops, hush. You want to buckle? You have to talk? Because if you talk, people are going to hear you, you know? I say if you talk to people, I'm gonna hear you. Pass the water bottle and pull it up with some other water. Come, hold it. Push it up more now. Push it up. Alright. You're welcome. Water refreshing, right? Yeah. Maybe thirsty too. Alright, let's hit the road right now. Timbayan Shamay? Alright, people, so I touch out back in the road now. Turn out back in and see how we touch back down with the window there. Yeah. Alright. Hey, no bother with that. Alright, so right now we're gonna take on the streets, head to the toll road. Yeah? People, we apologize if the glare from the sun and for the quality of the video. Right here smell really bad, no? You smell it? Eh? Yeah, man. You know what make it smell so? The water, the garbage and stuff are in there. You understand? So yeah, the water, the seawater, something, but or the drain or the gully, where you want to call it. You smell it still, right? It smell bad. Soon stop smelling it. Yeah, people. So again, this is Marcus Garvey Drive. We are take our time and we are go right back into we are going to Portmore. Yes, our bus said just pass over there, says a triple bus. I think a Joan did ask about it one day. A Joan them bus around for breakdown. And it drive slower than our snail crawl, yeah? Yeah, man. I think a Joan did ask about it. So yeah, my people. Hopefully traffic still good same way. Yeah, I want full of water back there. Because the water back there I go back down and Old Harbour, which is gonna be later tonight. So yeah, man, bless upon yourself if you're still there with me on the journey, you know? Yeah, man. They are do, you know? Yeah. Like a real star. I understand? Yeah. Why people, I really hope the sun not affect, the glare from the sun not affect the video. If it is affecting it, I do apologize. We soon reach and change your angle. We soon reach further out this way. Our angle I go change and yeah, you know? So just go and bear with it a little bit if the video look away. If not, just go and continue to enjoy. You see me? Yeah. And as me say, if you're there on the journey same way. They are thus far, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click like on the video, alright? Yeah, man, really and truly, man, if you watch the video so far, man, yeah, you really need to click like. From the start out, the whole Harbour and all these things. You see me? Yeah. Need to click like. Understand? So to the left round this, you know, so round this side of the wharf, the port, you can take for God the port, you see me? Yeah, you know the thing go. Got a little traffic up here, so. Yeah, man, little traffic up here, so. And most of the traffic here, you know, people, are the traffic we are going around to 3 Mile where I go and go up on Spanish Town roadside, you know. And this so the traffic here go, you know, now go see when we reach up there. You know, I go say traffic now go across the toll still, yeah, but the traffic will flow across the toll are free flow. Probably until we get to near the toll plaza or thereabout. But up here, sir, are definitely the 3 Mile people, them Spanish Town road people, them cause this a bill up here. People buy the cantaloupe, it's sweet. Hey, you smell the cantaloupe? You smell the sweet? Sweet. People can smell the syrup. It smell like sugar. Yeah, man, it's sweet, man. Cantaloupe. You don't know cantaloupe, the fruit? You don't know it? Yeah, it kind of have an orangish look. Yeah. And yeah, we hear some police are pop come, and we know they ain't going nowhere. These police, they're never ever going anywhere. Cause we never hear police respond to crime. Them just a blow up and them want to come out of the traffic. Them not going away. Them not going to right and go check. I could have him alone in there, him and his family. In a service vehicle. Nah, going away. Him a blasted loan. No way him not go. Him alone. Not a way him a go. Him alone. We know no one police now respond to no crime. No way him not go. Traffic him a cut out. People me dad want to go to the barber shop. So the police will just fly gone up there, so I try looking for him. Yeah, him just there right up there saying and leave it there far. Them officer you need to stop that, you see me? Yeah, cause them know them not gonna away, you know. Oh, you have another set. So this is a private car with flash up on it. Now the bumper and all these places. Them man have to stop it, man. Them not respond to no crime and they want people push out and do as a thing. You might force and a bore through. Suppose they cause a man for push and bore and rub all a man vehicle. They have to stop it, man. They have to stop it because they know them not going away. No, where them not going. They need to stop it. And then you have some police up there, so them police are trying to pull them over. Because them know say them not them friend not going away. I brought the police car, I brought them. Oh, them they just got there apart. There's a building on the road. I don't know how that makes sense. Parking on the road with the traffic there. Why Jamaican police in? I don't know. So them monitor traffic and them just parking on the road and take up one section. I need to go over here saying to people, because the way we are going and them carriers, me tell you now. Them carrier, the traffic can keep up at 3 miles them ago. Them they fit in the lane in one lane, them fit in to go around the scene and them take up 2 lanes. When you look up and you reach up and say you can see them and try merge over. Yeah. Them fit in the extreme right lane. Because the lane here for people who go straight. See my merge over? Yeah. people on the bridge through there. Yeah, see, ocean. Yeah, it looks like it's dirty. I take you run us around and put more mall side people. Oh, no traffic. This is nice. This is lovely, people. Sit back, sit back, sit back, sit back, sit back.
Oh my god, that's a lot of pasta. You talk soon.
Talk too soon, right? Why people are good thing with this stuff and get the little lunch, cause Jaja know. It's alright to support more mall on the left hand side, alright? Yeah. Come from, take P side. Yeah, the pink team of my jelly. Really? Oh, my jelly. That jelly. Come brother, cause we know the parking is bad already. No one no big reason in my lad. Come, cause we know for there so. Come brother, make the lady go on. She'll laugh and talk. What shall I do with? Come on lady, come. Man, you look here for call him for him phone. Yeah, family, bear a jelly now, please. I bet if you can put in a bag for me there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pink grapefruit. Of course. I'm pink grapefruit. Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you said to me. Okay, that's nice.
What's that? No,
One with me tonight, then, my boss. Both. We need to move quick. Alright, so you know we should be there, so. You hot? You hot? Alright. Alright.
Let's hold it there a second. I'm going to collect it back.
Yeah. Don't want no police. Come, lady, let's in the back. This jelly is nice. No man, away him gone. Come in, my lad. Yo, the man gone round on one part. Like I will see him gone. No, sir. People, I want to go and do it today. That stop here. We should park here, so you know, people. I'm not want to feds come here this way because a long time I don't collect a ticket to them. I don't want none today. Nah, take none today. How much you doing now? $2.50. Alright.
That's beautiful.
Alright.
That looks so weird.
I was scared about the jelly people, so I put the jelly in that bag right now. That's good, man. Put it in the water.
Oh my god, it's burning here, people.
I'm burning off hot. Yeah. Should I put on the AC? Respect the family. Yeah, bless.
That looks like
Alright people, so we'll make it from here, so give thanks. Hello? Yeah, bye bye. Yeah, put more money. Hold on, put on my seatbelt. Hold on. Hello? Yeah, me there put more money. Yeah, man. I'm going to get some water and then jump off Z and then circle. Alright. 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 can't come. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Huh? Hello? Oh. Alright. Alright, me soon come. Here? Alright, yeah, cool. No. Yeah. Alright. What am I saying? Something in the door that's a shake? Your buckle something and shake outside. Something like something at the door. Take out your buckle out of the door and go from here. Put it back. Okay. Hey people, so I want to look this water, you know. Alright, which way to go? We are going that way here. Yeah, people. Give me a call, me a check up on me, a switch on me there. What a journey a long though, my people. I'm not telling you no lie. A long journey this. But when so no a long journey, so long journey when I get. Yeah.
Welcome to Great Chocolate.
So I need to go the ATM and then I go get the water. And then I drop you home, okay?
It's so far.
Them 2 o'clock here. Taxi man nah give no lie. And she nah ease up. Tell her. Alright, so we got the machine. Let's see if we can go down on the machine. You smell it? A lot of fast food place. Fish pot, Island Grill, Chinese restaurant, all the place. Smell fish? Yeah.
That's a pirate. Yeah, that's not the watch. Carry a watch. 1, 2,
Under this drive-thru, you look like it now work. Let us see. Where are these drive-thru?
It is 4:35.
Yeah, 4:45 now.
4:35.
Alright, let's see. Check this drive-thru ATM, people. It now work. Alright, respect. Alright, see your brother here tell me say it now work. I see something you put in a thing, it take all the card, people. It do a bag of things. Take away your card. And the speaker, the thing upon it. Yeah man, it take away your card. Sometimes people you put it in it, not give you no money. A whole heap of foolishness. I mean, I have I can't have a tolerance for that to the people. Trust me. Terrible. So I'm glad to see that person that tell me say it now work. Alright, watch your pre now. So come again, people. But now stop the video now, people. I'll be back shortly, okay? I'm going to the machine and come back. No, we turn on the AC. Alright? Alright.
Uncle Bobby. I saw a mermaid. Okay, let's probably get a bit of that. What are you done, bro? Holy
Alright, people, so I'm back. Yes, it was. I need to get the water. And guess what? I didn't even get any change. And the ATM give me pure $5,000 bill. Pure $5,000 bill, innit? What do you mean? Pure $5,000 bill is good. Alright. Alright, what I gonna do? I gotta get the thing there first. Kimmy they can buy her something, so I can get that for her first. And then we'll get the water. The water people, I'm gonna have change for this. No, I shall probably get the water first and then go over this. I'm not gonna say the necessity first. Alright, people, so she want her up. So yeah, she want her up from KFC, so I got program KFC to get her up. Yeah, I think about so I could get the water and then drop on my knees and then get the wrap from Spanish Town KFC, but the later you take for that KFC at the worst I be. I know almost 5 o'clock, so yeah. Almost 5 o'clock. Can go in at the drive through here. So inside look. Even I almost feel like I want to go inside, you know, but then going inside can be long and tedious sometimes too, you know. But make we see stills. Make we see. No, not right now, my boss. Yeah. You know, I contemplate if I could go inside. Because I don't want to stay aside and not even have the rap neither, you know. Yeah man, I go run go park and go on the inside there, people. That's exactly what I do. Because I don't want to stay aside and them not have more, you know. If she want a rap, I don't want to reach up there and you say no rap. You know the line and waste my time, you know. If I'm going to the cashier, no I hear if them have it or no. I mean know what to do from there, so. Yeah man, because inside not really that full enough people. It kind of look, you know, kind of free up. Kind of free up, you know. Yeah. So people, me I left for now again right there, so AC on again. So far again, the amount of time I left for now. If you now watch the video up to this point, click like. Make sure you click like on the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Yeah, I'm just drink some water. So let me see if I can get this thing in here, so. And I so forward.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna take out the bits of pieces and crumbs them. Look at this people, just look. What is it? People, look. It's someone. Oh, people, oh, look. This is me, Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. This is Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig at the milk. Daddy Pig is playing with his cartoons. Daddy Pig, I think George is not a toy. Daddy, ignore me. I'm not playing. I'm just like trying to cheat, fix it up and down. Oh, look. The key got me. Travel. Mr. Ball, Daddy's got a key, bro. Sorry, Daddy Pig, I can't eat. No, cut on there. Daddy Pig, his keys are fun. I want this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. For the I know that there was an increase. So for the phone line, how much increase was there? Yeah. Mm-hmm. So I have the yard and road plan. So was the increase? I have the yard and road plan, and but the bill is split. So the internet is separate from the a different account number for the internet and a different account number for the phone. So I'm just trying to figure out if it was only for the internet that the increase was done, or was it like everything? Right. Right, but hold on. Sorry to cut you, but so for April you say you see 2,200 and something dollars. So how much was it for March? The charges? Okay, so there was a $200 increase then, basically then. Okay. So it doesn't show a current charge, like you don't have a current charge for that month, apart from the balance being brought forward. For each month, it doesn't show a current charge for that month? Right, and then you say for April it's 2,200, so that's what I'm saying, it's a $200 increase, basically. Alright, how much is the bill per month? How much is the bill? The bill is a set bill per month, right? Right, and then for April, you're saying you see $2,200, right? Right, so I'm saying the increase was a $200 increase. Was it? I'm just trying to figure out how much increase was there. Mm-hmm. Right. Oh, okay. Okay. So it's roughly, yeah. Okay. So I guess then it looks like there's not any increase on the phone line then. Okay. Right, that's right. Mm-hmm. Right. 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 Okay. I think I got it now. And it also and it attracts tax. Okay. I get it. All right. Thank you so much for the explanation. All right. No, that's it. Enjoy the rest of your shift. All right then. Bye. Alright people, sorry about that, but yeah, so we have to make a call because my phone did get disconnected, people. Pay the bill from morning and them not put it on. So you know who have to call them. You get what I say? Yeah. I tell the people because I'm out the road and I can't make no call. Me have to get call. I want to check certain thing and do certain thing and it not work out. Alright, so I run go grab the water in some people. We have a hungry shopping mall. We run go full the buckle over here so. And then we drop off Nice and then we head to Spain. See? One more second again. Una say long video, you know. Thank you. Back.
Amoy na bravo. Yes, sir. Well, open that door. I am your mother. I am your mother. Oh! Yum, yum, mother. Gotta be sweet. Make me say, make me wanna. Well, make me use my breath. Let me wanna. Turn it open, listen. Oh, my man is back in the field. Riding on my field.
Alright, Z, I drop you off here now, ready. The buckle it have angle on it, sir, though? The buckle have angle, sir, right? Where you give me all I got, though? The water, the big one. It had a handle, right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That's how you give it to me, right?
I feel like yes.
Oh, but you did see it have a handle? Okay. Because me almost mix up the buckle in the while ago. Me almost take a people water buckle. Yeah, people, I'm going there with my water buckle for full it and almost take a people water buckle. I tell you. Put on my seatbelt. People, I think Juicy Patty will come over here, you know. And I'm gonna put it right there, so. Eh? Oh, you're reading the sign? Come back the next time. Okay.
Traffic below.
You understand? Then I made into Spanish Town. Yeah. Spanish Town.
Spanish town close to town.
No.
Far.
Kinda.
Sure.
Alright people, so I drop off Z and then I head to Spain, but right now I'm there, I try to think of the best way, the fastest way for to reach a Spain right now, because boy the traffic can look away. I really lean towards taking the highway. So I lean towards coming back the direction here. Go around so straight up they call round this, so yeah. Round Mandela. And take the highway. Yeah, that me I think about right now, people. Me I telling you the truth. Wind down back the window a little bit. Oh, yes, I'm not guess. Where me need go?
Because
Come on, turn on the AC. No, we want to hear outside. We want to hear the sounds from outside. Remember me I record? Some want the sounds from outside to be captured in my recording. Okay?
Yes.
Alright. So if me not gas, you can buy me some gas? Why not?
Why not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah, why not?
I'm not driving.
Yeah, but you're getting I am bringing you home. So you can make us run out of gas and stay on the roadside?
First of all, we don't want to say we can't. Second, wait. Why all truck about PT?
I guess it stands for like trailer or something.
A truck?
Yeah, it stands for something. Yeah, that's very good. You notice that all of them have TT. That's very good. The trailer them carry that.
Okay, let's go back.
Yes, where you say now?
So, sit it out, boy. Sit it out, boy. Sit it out, boy. I don't know how much we get. Sit it out, boy. What if I forget the money?
Where you get the money from? You didn't get lunch money? Eh?
Yes.
You get lunch money?
Yes.
You get lunch money? You say you buy the gas with your lunch money? And gas expensive, so you take the whole of your lunch money.
How much was that?
A lot.
How much?
A lot.
How much is a lot?
How much is a lot? Right now it's over $200 a liter.
How much is it? $20?
Over 200 per liter, and this uses a lot. This uses over 30 liter. Over 30 liter.
What is liter?
The measurement for the gas, like how you have 1 cup of water. It's the measurement for the gas.
This car is how much? How much much is for
How much liter this?
how much the gas costs.
$12,000.
Okay,
Really? What you said to me? You know where the money?
but me know somebody who them very
Yeah? Yeah.
is that 1,300.
Saving? Oh, so why you not saving?
TT.
On the trailer again?
Yeah.
Right, so I tell you say you have to do something with the trailer then. You have to do something with the trailers.
Which squad? Only if you ever want to see I'll talk to them start with a key.
Right. And the plate is what color?
Red.
Yeah.
The dark hair like food truck.
Mm-hmm.
The lesbian like green.
Right, commercial.
I
Like this one. What?
Oh, I mean that one.
Yeah, the van in front of it. It's for commercial.
And the white one is like for
Private.
passengers.
Private.
Like, oh,
Yeah, private.
this one.
Mm-hmm.
Like that car, they're like food. So on that one, and this one, I something.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Uncle.
Yeah?
Example. Wonder what this car, what if this what color license that car is? You know, like
Alright, hold on. People, 1 second. We're gonna drop her off and then we'll come back to the video. Me actually I gonna take the tool, so I'm gonna come back the way here and then we'll go around on Mandela Highway and then we'll hop on the tool. Come out of Angels in a Spanish town and head towards a different part of Spanish town, alright? So, forward, see? Yeah. People, and just like that, me drop her off and I'm now heading in the other direction. Yeah, me actually drop her off and me that jam for about 25 minutes a while ago. Because trust me, kinda did feel a bit tired. So I say me just cycle for a few and then drop her off. After me drop her off, sorry. So right now as me say, me I drive go the way there, me I go take the toll road. See triple bus here, the people with the pass a bus here, I got town when we are come over, you know. Yeah, or wherever we did pass it, we don't pass it somewhere. And yeah, one alone them up. One alone them up. We run the Portmore route here. So yeah people, see rush hour traffic here coming up Portmore from half of the I-95, half of the Mandela. Well, this is I-95 that come off of Mandela Highway. Traffic of people, and one time the righteous never used to stay, the road never used to stay so one time in the people. No, never used to stay so. Never used to stay so at all. It used to free flowing. Watch a dopey bat here. I overtake one line of traffic. Watch a dopey bat here. Pure dopey bat them, you know. Now go on the yard, no just bill man and go on the yard, man. Go now for your try one drive on the next side of the road, fam. Police are out there, so if you come ticket them, man. Put the bike them around here. Look at bike police them around here. Ride up and down along the stretch. Run enough ticket, promote, you don't get enough promotion. So yeah, people, as I say, I go on Mandela Highway and then I take the toll road. Like where I go like then I go Ochi and I exit the Angels. Round the Angels exit can't have all traffic too, you know. Round the ramp you have traffic, you know. Because them build an exit there with no vision. Because them build it for us so the people them who are come where basically are come from country are go and use it. But in a rush hour time like this, when the people them who are got Spanish town, oh my word. When them people they come out, you know, man, I go home, you know, man. I tell you. When the whole of them people up off of Mandela Highway from way around so, which part me I go now and come off in a for exit the Angels store. Whole heap of traffic too. Yeah, whole heap of traffic too it can cause. And I pushing bike on that one, I'm doing. Be place around this so. The left turn there, the right turn there around there, so. Dyke Road. Trying to end up around there evening time like now, rush hour. So this is when you come off of the Portmore toll, you can take Dyke Road and come that way. People, round there no move. Traffic stand up round there, so. Yeah, man. Wicked, man. Wicked round there. Team spend like almost about 2 hours around there already. Yeah, man, it grimy around there, man. Last time I go up on the toll, that toll there was a bushfire. Yeah. People, I have to call a place today. I couldn't get to call him because my phone is disconnected. Like so many stuff I did have to deal with. Couldn't get to call him tomorrow or Friday. I have to call him because they don't open on a weekend. I actually do a video of going to that place on a weekend, and on Saturday I did do it. And when I reach, they lock. Yep, them lock. So I need to make sure I call them tomorrow, or I'm going to check them tomorrow. Need to. Alright people, so you do how you have to work already. I'm showing them many times. Punch the hole, punch the button and take the card out. And then when you reach, them read it and see where you entered from. That's how this set up, alright? Yeah. So now 11 minutes after 6. You see, quick we can reach a Angel, and hopefully when we reach, no traffic no around there. Say Angel 8 kilometers. Hopefully no traffic no around there when time we reach, people, man, I tell you. When we reach at the exit there, so the last time I spent so long in the traffic, man, I tell you. Long. So this is the toll road like if we did go watch areas. Them place there. Sun has set over this, you know, people, yeah. People, I don't know if the camera do this justice, but trust me, the view is spectacular. Nah, lie to you know. This view is spectacular. Alright, so we're about to exit here now, people. The Angels exit this. So we take now a 16 pass. So we take for 5 minutes. People, but that's a host in the traffic that they round there. So one of the things that we could have take 5 minutes from Portmore for reach a Spanish Town. No time. Alright. The traffic not look that bad. The last time all way up I said it there. Because as I said there was a bushfire. No traffic at all this. No traffic. This is good. I like this. Thank you. I buckle up my seatbelt, the people. Yeah. So now at 6:18, people. I couldn't do this. I couldn't do this from. Couldn't do this from somebody I reach as Spain as well. Couldn't do this from Portmore on the regular road. I reach us so fast. Could never. And that tool here is a different tool from this one. From the Portmore one. That's why I couldn't use my tag. Two different companies. So my tag I have did not work on that tool here. That tool here operated by the Chinese, I think. Chinese company. So total different pass you want for drive for that one, alright? Yeah. So people, if I never go to the KFC, but I look for come at the KFC right there, so. That would I look, but as I said, the later you come in at the KFC, the boy more packy be. You get me? Yeah. Alright, so we have a little traffic right there, so. But I'm going to make a turn close by. I make a right turn shortly, is it? So, not to worry about a little traffic here. So for all of you know where I say you want a long video, see a long video here today. Let's see what I'm going to do with it now. Yeah. Cause be talking love talk, you know, oh the video too short, want some long video. See a long video, let me see what I'm gonna do with it. And people, the country video them a come up shortly, see? Yeah man, country video them a come up. Them a come up shortly. Alright, so June, yeah, I know I promise you the country video. Soon drop it. Soon drop it. Alright, I soon drop it. On the right, so if you take a right turn, camera on a GC Foster College. No GC Foster College, this is the physical education teacher them basically train or get certified. And people, remember again, if you've watched the video up until this point, please may I ask if you click like on the video. See it? Yeah. Drop a comment in the comment section. Alright? Share the video as well. See it? Yeah man, and subscribe to the channel as well. You see what I say? And right about now, you know, my people, this is how I'm going to close off to, you know. Yeah. Or I'm going to 2 more minutes. Yeah, because it's really been a long one. And as you can see, it's also getting dark, so yeah. So big up to the people where I watch on the premiere. We watch the whole entire video on the premiere. Big up yourself. Big up yourself if you watch this, if you're watching this while it's first being aired on the premiere and you watch the whole light. Mad respect, mad love goes out to you, see it? Yeah man. Big up for yourself, you see me? Yeah, people that watch on the rerun, manners and respect just the same, you see it? Yeah man, bless up man. You don't know the thing, you see me? And I tell you, if you watch from the beginning, from just start out in a scheme and New Harbour Village 2, if you watch from this and you're there so right now, bless up yourself. If it take you 2, 3, 4 days to watch the entire video, bless up yourself, same way too. At least you complete it same way though. Yeah man, mad love man. You see me? Yeah man, nothing but respect here, me have food. You see me? You don't know the thing come. Manners and respect my people. Yeah. So right now we are Spanish Town, see? Yeah man. That's how we there, you know. Spain Town. Alright? Yeah, I think I get forgot the barber tonight, you know, because I'm kind of tired, you know, so I take some rest right now. Tomorrow is another day, you know? Yeah. Yeah man, tomorrow is another day. I didn't even want to edit a video today and I didn't even get to do that. Not even that I get to the people. So, I don't know the thing but still. As I said, bless upon yourself, manners and respect. Enough love goes out, alright? Yeah man, and I don't know, say I 876 by birth, you know. Yeah. We always appreciate the support. Every single time. I appreciate the support, people. Every single time I appreciate the support. And you don't know you can reason with me in the comment section. See? Yeah man. If you come to Jamaica and you need somebody to take you around, you don't know we can do the maths for a small fee. Alright? Yeah. Always I go cheaper than the taxi. And it always I go cheaper than for rent a car. You see me? Your safety is my priority, see? So manners and respect my people, as I say 876 by birth, link me up in the comment section if you don't know how to find the email from the channel and don't know the thing of mad love. 876 by birth in them people. Alright? Yeah. Go on left for now. I'm out. Big man thing, I'm out now for real, man. I'm out. Lick more.